Do you enjoy capturing moments in a lifetime?
Or maybe you want to start a career or business in wedding photography.
Then you come to the right place. In this course, we will show you how we take photos at the wedding, how we freeze that moment in time and make it accessible for the couple forever. My name is Paul.
And my name is Rose. We are professional wedding photographers and videographers from the Philippines. We have been doing photos and videos since 2017.
Photography started out as a hobby in 2013 and grew to be a real business for us. This opportunity gave way for us to leave our day job and focus on doing what we love the most, capturing moments in a lifetime. We have evolved from Films by Paul and Sang to FPS Productions PH, where we cater not just weddings, but all kinds of events and corporate gigs.
We are also growing and offering part-time jobs to aspiring photographers and videographers. Wedding photography has become an in-demand skill. Weddings nowadays are not complete without wedding photographers. May it be a hobbyist or professional photographer, most couples make sure they have someone taking photos on their wedding day. And that is what this course is all about. We will kick off with the most important step in wedding photography, which is planning. Then we will quickly move on to preparations and the actual wedding day. We will share with you our entire workflow and you will see us actually do all of it. We will go from camera settings, composition techniques, camera angles, lightings, poses, and many more.
This course is perfect for beginner photographers who want to learn more about wedding photography.
For aspiring wedding photographers who want to know what happens in an actual wedding photo coverage, for anyone who wants to capture a wedding through photos, for someone with a camera who had been asked by a friend or family member to take photos of the wedding,
and absolutely for anyone who just wants to learn how to take professional photos at a wedding.
We hope you are as excited as we are. Hit the enroll button now and we will see you inside the course.